Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tenor, your DIY Blueprint Diva, typical of all things scatterbrain DIY and an occasional shimmy sprinkled in. Today's video will be a bit different from my normal builds. I actually DIY'd my own financial planner. So I'm here today to show them off and all the pretty details of the Finance in My Life Budget and Goals Planner. The first planner I'm going to show you guys is the Rose Gold Planner, aka the Mauve. So we're just going to go with Rose Gold. This is the ultimate girlies girl planner. It comes in a pink box and it also comes in a canvas bag. This planner is linen, you guys. It's a linen planner. It has gold foiling on the logo on the back. That's debossed, which means it's like inset into the linen material. And then it also has gold foiling for the budgeting and goals planner. It has a double gold spiral and then also gold corner protectors as well. I so love this planner. I still don't know which one I'm going to use for this year. Inside the Rose Gold Planner, there are gold divider tabs. The dividers are made out of heavy-duty PVC material with a gold foil stamp on them, as well as on the tab itself. It's so pretty. I'll post another video on what the actual months entail in detail, and I'll go over all of the pages and filling out one of these from start to finish. So this is the Rose Gold Planner, aka known as the Mauve on the website, if you are interested. The next planner I want to open for you guys is the Obsidian. The Obsidian Planner, all black everything. Like when you see someone who just has on all black and is so elegant and it just speaks volumes. When I saw this planner, I knew that I needed to come up with the perfect name for it, and Obsidian is what it was. So this planner comes in a black box and then a black bag. This bag also has the logo in black, so it's black on black, you guys. And with the Obsidian Planner, it is also a linen cover. So this linen cover has debossed big letters as well with black foil. And then it also has the same gold foil for the My Life Budgeting and Goals Planner. Look how pretty this is. It's so pretty. The planner also has the same gold spiral as well as a band on this one here. And then also the gold protectors. So similar to the Rose Gold Planner, the Obsidian Planner also has the gold divider tabs. So this one is black and gold. The inner cover has this pretty black matte paper in here with some gold roses. And then all the dividers are gold as well in this one. So this is the Obsidian Planner. Linen cover with gold foils. This is the ultimate elegant, class, just absolutely beautiful planner. This may be my favorite. I just don't know if I want to use it because it's so pretty. You know, like it's so pretty. I don't know, I'm still deciding, but I need to hurry up and figure it out. The next planner we're going to talk about is the classic white. And the classic white is just your smooth matte white cover with black text and then the gold foil stamped on it. It has the same gold spiral, gold corner protectors, and then it also has a band on this one as well. So the rose gold is the only one that did not have a band on it. It's just so clean, right? Timeless, classic. The inner cover, same rose, just opposite of the black ones. And then in the classic white, the dividers are black. So this is a classic white planner, white cover, black text, gold detailing. Classic white. Last but not least, you would have thought that I would have designed a green one, but I thought about that after the fact. It is the Raven. So unlike the Obsidian, the Raven is the all black with the matte cover. It also has the black foil in the large text and the gold in the smaller. Comes with the gold spiral and the gold corner protectors and then the band. And like the classic white, the Raven also has the black dividers. So if you're interested in getting a financial planner, definitely consider the ones that I designed, not just because they are so beautiful, but I designed them to be simple yet effective with a splash of glam, right? But it's all the glam. It's literally all the glam because all of them are beautiful, if I say so myself. So again, all of the planners have the same interior pages. The only difference would be the cover and then what the dividers look like, depending on what style you like. So you have the Raven, you have your classic white, you have the Obsidian, and then the Mauve rose gold. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on because I will be posting a bit more consistently this year. That is one of my goals. And then also, I designed a lot of these planners, before I had them produced. So if you're interested in seeing how to make some personally for yourself, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll try to get one of those videos uploaded as well. Until next time, thanks again, guys.